Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to record an exciting video, and I ordered from P Louise. So I first ordered from P Louise on Friday, June 6th, and my order was complete the next day, which was the 7th, on a Saturday. Well, what took me a while to order from them was, first off, I didn't want to wait 3 weeks to get my package like everyone else. Another thing was, I did not want to pay the shipping, and I didn't want to pay the currency exchange rate. So but I really wanted it for so long. I really wanted the base and stuff for so long. So I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and order it and get all of that out of the way. So I placed my order Friday the 6th, and then I got an email saying it was complete on the 7th. I paid with PayPal. Not sure if that had anything to do with it, but I paid with PayPal. And then that's all I've heard from them. I didn't get any tracking information or anything, but I was not expecting my order so soon. But I still wanted to know like what was happening. Like, did it even ship? Is it still in the UK? So I emailed customer service, and a lot of people, when they have issues with their orders and they contact customer service, people were saying they couldn't get a hold of anyone, or it'll take them a while to reach back out. So then they would leave comments on Instagram and no one would respond, or they'll get ignored. But that did not happen with me. I emailed customer service yesterday. So I emailed them yesterday, and which was, what was yesterday? The 13th. Yesterday was the 13th. And I told them I placed the order on the 6th, gave them my order number, and I was like, I assumed tracking came with shipping, but after researching, they say it's available upon request. I was wondering, can I have the shipping information, or did my package even ship? And then at my time, 3:41 a.m., I got an email saying, hey doll, you can track the progress of your parcel using the following tracking number on Royal Mail or your local tracking service. And then they gave me a tracking number, and have a great day, from Jake. So I was like, wow, I got an email quick. I don't know if out there, I think it's like a probably 6-hour time difference, I think. I'm not sure, but yeah, they gave me the tracking information, and then I tracked it on I went to Royal Mail first because I assumed the package was still in the UK. And all it said on Royal Mail was that it was basically, Royal Mail was saying it's still in the UK. So I was like, I was a little bummed out when I saw that. So then something told me to go to the US Postal Service, and I tracked it, and then I found out that my package was in LA. So I was like really excited. It had just left the distribution center. So I'm like, it didn't say when it was going to come, but I assumed I was getting it today because, I'm not far from there. So I just kept tracking it, like probably like every hour, and it wasn't updating until about probably 8 o'clock this morning. It updated and said it was out for delivery. So I was just really excited because I got my package. So I know you're probably going in, what did I order? So I ordered the Secret Center palette, and I got the number 5 base. One thing I do want to say is I did read a few comments. People said sorry, people were saying if you only ordered a base, it'll take like a long time to get to you. But if you order something like, I guess like something else with it, your order would get to you faster. I wasn't sure if that was true, but I knew I wanted the base, and I knew I wanted the palette, so that's what I ordered. I ordered the base number 5 in the Secret Center palette. So I really wanted to open this up, but I'm like, let me just wait for the video. So yeah, so I just opened the box and I just looked at it. This is packaged, you can't even tell. This is packaged really well. I've never seen any bubble wrap like this before. Oh, there, you can see it now. I've never seen any bubble wrap like this. But it's like really thick. And yeah, so I'm excited. So I'll tell you like the exchange rate. Yeah, this is wrapped really good. Oh my god, this palette is heavy. This is packaging goals. Like, if my brand was to come out with an eyeshadow palette, that would be my inspiration. So I do in fact have my order, but I wanted to show you what I paid. So the palette was $40 and the base is $10. Everyone knows that. I did use someone's coupon code. I think I used like Jessica 10 or something like that, and that gave me $5 off. So my total ended up coming to $54.99. But the exchange rate on that, I think I paid around 72. So the exchange rate was 72.43. From my understanding is they got some little new packaging for the bases. It says, "I saw you checking out my package." So this is, I know I've seen this on her story before. Like, they have new packaging for the bases and stuff. So it comes wrapped really cute. And I was say I can't even open it. So this is the number 5 Rumor base, and it's really full. I know some people, theirs came out like it was used already, and then some people said once they opened it, they pushed out and their tube was like half empty. Not sure, but yeah, this is the number 5 base. Let's get to this. Oh my god, look at this palette. Look at that. And it got feathers and it's gold. Ooh, that was hard to open. I was gonna break a nail. Look at this. This is packaging goals. This is like the prettiest eyeshadow palette I have ever owned. This will be my inspiration palette. Oh, the colors are so big. I mean, I've seen this palette, you know, everywhere online, but seeing it in person is like, it's, I don't know, I'm speechless. So this is the palette. It's so gorgeous.